Today I get to walk you through a rare trade. This is a 2017 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. We've got the windlass, we've got the nice hard top. Vantage is a great boat. This has got the twin Mercury 300 horse on the back. Again, 2017, only 135 hours. This is an excellent boat. Let's go to the interior and take a look what we got. All right, welcome aboard this 2017 270 Vantage from Boston Whaler. The Vantage has great seating in the back. This bench seat right here can be lifted up and away if you're going to use it for fishing purposes. We've got a nice entertainment area right here. We've got nice seats here where this seat can reverse back and forward or go all the way down. We've got a nice helm area. Again, twin engine, Mercs, Simrad, the Ray Marine, and then Fusion stereo. It does have a nice appointed head with vacuum flush system. And then the 270, nice big bow. As I mentioned, windlass out front. Got some storage underneath there, table. 135 hours. Just a wonderful boat. Again, great trade that just came in. Come on down to Rogers and take a look.